everyone, it's Matt Bristol DC and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Right now, we are here at San Fabian. So, we are celebrating the 58th birthday of Alice Mayalde Pastoral. So, dito kami mag-stay, the Grey Sand Beach and Resort. So, ayan, in case na you want na itry ang resort nila. So, yan mismo guys. So, dito kami mag-celebrate ng birthday ni Tita Alice, which is in this area. Ayan. Say hi, guys!
Hi. Hi. Hello.
Ayan.
Hi.
Yan si Tita Maylene, si Tokyo. Ito si Auntie Dick.
Hello.
Ayun. So, ito yung pag-stayan namin. So, mag-overnight kami. So, there is 3 beds here. Good for 2, each one of it. So, ito naman, merong TV. Hindi ko lang kung meron lang wifi dito kasi nandito kami sa mismong beach. Ayun o. Pagtingin nyo sa labas, beach na agad guys. So, let's see yung CR nila. So, merong shower and then merong toilet and there's a mirror here. And dito naman is merong salamin in case na if you wanna see yourself at the mirror or you wanna touch up your makeup. So, this is my bag na dala. So, merong aircon din dito. And merong TV. May wifi kasi. So, merong mga toiletries here. Yan, shampoo, towel, tissue, soap. There's also TV. So, paglabas, dito mismo sa mga pagkain. So, yun guys, yung ginawa nila is nagluto na sila dun sa mismong shop ng mga kakainin for later. So, dito naman is merong lababo, merong dinala na tubig dito. So, ayan guys, papakita natin every food that we have. Ayan. So, we have here chicken, then spaghetti, and then another pasta. And dito naman is rice. Kare-kare, I think. Yeah. And then another rice. Let's go to the next one. Ito naman is sisig, tahong, hipon, and kiniling, and many more. And dito naman is ito yung mismong spaghetti sauce. Yan, thank you. So, dito naman ito yung ikakalot for later, mga talaba. So, dalawa. Dalawa yung mismong lababo dito and then dito. So, in case na kailangan magasan agad, there are 2 options, di ba? Dito naman, tingnan natin kung ano yung dito. Ayan, mga soft drinks. So, ayan yung birthday celebrant, guys. Si Tita Alice. Dito naman is may mga upuan, meron na ding roof. Maganda, magmuni-muni dito, ganyan. And maganda guys, is kapag mamayang gabi, di ba? Like, nakikita mo yung mismong beach at night, agad-agad. So, hi guys! Nandito din yung pinsan ko. Dumating na. What's your name, my cousin?
Ako si Ivan the Great Gay.
Gay? Ano? The Great Gay?
Great Gay!
Yan si Ivan Muyal.
The Great?
That's my first degree cousin. First degree?
Wow.
So, nandyan na yung mga aming pinsan. Dumating na sila. Oh my God, wait. Oh my God! Say hi! Hi! Hi, guys! Hi, Kubi! Hello! Hi! What's up?
What's up, gang? What's up, gang?
Go! Ito yung pinsan ko, si Lance. Say hi!
Rian, how was your experience? Sarot na kakarating. Di, ang ganda ng messy hair mo, I bet. I bet.
Are you excited, Lance? Oo. Nantok daw siya, guys. Dito sila nag-makeup. So, ayun, dito yung pinsan ko na si Travis. Say hi, Travis. Hi, Rian. Nag-hi ka na kanina.
Hi everyone, Ivan the Great.
Ivan the Gay. Ivan the Great Gay. Ito si Kim. And si Justin. Yes. So, ayun, magpipicture kami. And then, later on, we're gonna eat and swim. Yes, ako. Diba? Pimasahe. Tarot reading ng masahe.
Yung else ko dyan.
Happy birthday! Hi guys! So ayun, maliligo na kami. Kakatapos na namin kumain.